I always wonder how I afford the ZL1. This is it. Oh, it's hot. Uber from Broke ZL1. Oh, I'm very terrified. I will not lie to you.
10 out of 10 must try again.
11 out of 10.
Says you need some gas on.
ZL1, pedaling, throttle. Hit the gas through the dash when the cops come. Supercharged with a rap that they flock to. No more words, you can race if you want to. Take off at the red light, leave the dust on them. Tail lights, pass the demon in the night on them. Real loud, no sneaking like a lion on them. Big roar when I let the gear slide on them. ZL1, pedaling, throttle.
I hope I'm getting like good footage here.
It's an ugly ass shot on my chin.
Yeah, probably.
Most definitely. I know it'll be clear as hell too. So whenever I go to edit, I'm gonna see all my fucking freaking. Oh, there's the guy. That's the guy that we have to avoid.
That's the guy?
That's the guy. Oh hell. Why does he want me like that, bro?
Gotta get a ramen.
Okay, ramen will be over here.
Oh, we also have to have water.
Water?
Yeah, down for the ramen.
They try to stop it.
There's smaller watermelons.
Oh, I should get like bowls and stuff so we can actually try it.
So if you just walk around this little thing, then it's gonna look like you have like a arm disability.
Yeah.
$3
For some plates, bro.
Why do we need plates?
so we can try the ramen.
Get the cheapo ones.
I thought that was the cheap.
You're tripping, bro. They don't have the cheapo ones at Target.
Got the bowls for it, and we're gonna need. Do y'all use spoons or forks for ramen?
I
Sporks.
use, yeah, something like that.
Wait, how do you use a spoon with
knife?
ramen?
It's possible.
Knife.
There's the premium fork, spoons, and knives.
I'm Hispanic, so we tend to use those.
We're gonna suck them. We're just gonna eat the straws.
Did you get Cody hitting me with the shopping cart? Cause that
I don't think I did. I think I got the audio of it, but
that
that's
low key
about
hurt.
it.
Are we making mac and cheese? Just like my. Hey man, do y'all have ramen by chance?
That would be down this way.
ZL1, pedaling, throttle. Hit the gas through the dash when the cops come. Supercharged with a rap that they
Oh, awesome, man. Thank you. I appreciate
Soup
it.
and packaged
You have a good
dinners.
one.
Bro,
Perfect.
Dude, $1.49 for all this?
why don't you get the whole thing? The Super 6 pack.
This was only 29 cents.
Oh.
And we're getting the beef flavor because, you know, everybody tends to have beef with us. That's pretty thin.
Yeah.
I think it's thinner than this.
It probably is, because it's like a stew pot. Are you gonna get the big one instead of
Hey, what
the?
about this one?
Well, you can put a watermelon in it.
Do we have all the utensils?
I might as well be a bar. Okay, so we have this.
Hell yeah.
We put
That's for olive oil though.
this in here. We put that in here. We close it. We start with the ice cream scoop.
Is that ice cream scoop?
Yes.
Do we need salt and pepper?
No.
No.
You don't put salt and
You got a
pepper in a
beef-
fucking ramen. You have a beef packet in there.
I do. Okay.
You put salt and pepper on your ramen?
Dude, that's like.
What y'all doing with that? Not the TikTok?
No, not TikTok. We don't watch that.
It'll just be this. That'll be separate.
That will be separate, okay. So what's the challenge?
I'm gonna cook ramen on my engine.
I mean, what?
On the engine. The car engine.
Car engine?
Yeah.
Well, just hey, if it's getting me hotter, just put it on the top of it there. You can do an egg on that.
I think it'll work.
I was in Spain in Madrid. It was one time so hot that you can really fry an egg on one of those.
Oh my god. Alright guys, we just got out of Target. Had a successful trip. We got the ramen and all the utensils that we need. We got a pot and we got some bowls and forks. So that way we can try the ramen afterwards. We got a thin enough pot, honestly, that I think it'll work perfectly to be on the blower. It is so freaking hot out here. I think it's gonna work just fine. But I'm letting the car warm up, as you can see. The car is warming up, so hopefully we can just start cooking, chefing it up out here. Got all the boys out here to help me with this stupidity act. And yeah, I'm gonna let it warm up and then we'll pick the camera back up here in a second. All right, boys, we're ready to do the ramen. If you'll follow me, we'll go to the pantry and get all the utensils out there.
ZL1, pedaling, throttle.
All right, so here in my pantry, we got the pot that we need. We got the agua. God damn, that's heavy. We got the ramen. We're chilling. We got our spoon. Alright, now we'll head to the kitchen, start cooking. Stay hydrated.
You dropped the pack in there.
It's not hot yet.
Is it not supposed to cook with this?
No.
I'll save this one.
Nothing. This camera's getting too hot.
Welcome to the kitchen, my boy.
Bro, ZO1's kitchen.
I see y'all so long, bro.
You see what we've been doing? Dumb shit. Yeah, it's boiling. Don't you see it?
He's still out here cooking, my boy. We actually do got progress on this. The noodles are getting big. They're getting a little bit bigger. So progress is being made. Hopefully, we're almost at 200 degrees for the oil temp, so I'm pretty sure the engine should be just about there. And boiling for water is 212 or 220, I forgot what it was. So we're right there at it. So hopefully we can start cooking some freaking noodles, and I can feed all the homies out here, because we're all hungry, I'm not gonna lie. We just want a little snacky snack. Might be. Dude, they're so confused. Bro, the reaction of people out here is the absolute best thing about this whole video. People are just like, why the fuck? What do y'all think of today's festivities with the ramen?
Love it.
Loving it.
I'm ready to eat some. You know, I need me some carbs.
I know,
I eat some, but I just ate it La Paria.
I'm trying to feed y'all, man. I'm trying to feed y'all, Cody.
Good
Hot
ass
as fuck
nachos.
feeding the homeless out here. You know.
What'd you have?
Some grilled nachos.
Oh, that sounds good. That sounds better than the ramen.
Yes, you're fine. You're fine. Just do it. You're good. Keep going. Go slower. There's a car coming. Get to the right. Pro ZL1 Kitchen. # Gordon Ramsay. Get him in here, bro. So how's it going?
She's cooking, I think. It's hot. It's hot outside. It's hot in there. The noodles are soggy now, so I mean, that's progress. We had to move to a different location because we were too far back. And I just want to see more people genuinely react to me cooking ramen up here. So, that are proceeding here with the ramen.
I say that Gordon Ramsay gonna be on your ass.
Alright boys, so we just checked it out. She's just about ready for us to add the sauce packets. So you already know. Don't forget we got our spoon to mix everything together. Look at that. This is not no regular kitchen, my boys. This is Rogue ZL1 cuisine right here. You always wonder how I afford the ZL1? This is it. Give her a good stir. That marinate for a little bit.
Since 22, ZO1, sliding in a rainbow coupe. Saw your bitch, mouth drop, what it do? Worry about yourself, bitch, who the fuck is you? Take it to the tree tent like a limousine. When the light turn green, you be falling asleep. Catch a drag slip, gripping on these rubber feet. 8 seconds on the track, that's your
Alright boys, if y'all will follow me, I think it's pointing to my friend. Do you want to hold him? Here, hold him while I say.
Don't worry, baby. I got you.
All right, thank you.
That's for another video, y'all can see later.
All right, so my boy's telling me he thinks it's done. Let's take a peek. It smells great.
I think it's tiny bad.
It's gonna start turning into this because of the starch pouring out of it. Follow me to the pantry. Remember, this ZL1 is not only a kitchen; it is also a pantry. We got the forks and we got the bowls. Not those type of bowls. We don't condone that. All right. Should I try it first?
I don't know. It's up to you. I think we should all try it at the same time.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Ramen.
Who is getting ramen? Please, you're eating ramen. Please form a line.
Delicious.
Now, beef is the best.
Look, just give me a fork. I'll try some of Austin's.
Y'all are weird, sharing each other's food.
Make me a bowl, Brian.
There's no way it's crunchy.
What kind of look?
That's good. That's
cooked? Yeah, it's cooked. Probably a little 3 hours.
That's
Okay,
enough.
great.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
Give me this.
Bro, that shit is like.
Let me see a fork. Where's that water at?
It's very delicious.
10 out of 10 must try again.
Zeb,
I tried some of Austin's. I'm Gucci, bro.
are you actually eating the ramen?
Yeah, I think.
All right.
Austin actually eats.
Anything that happens to you is not my fault.
I think you knew that. Can I have some of this?
Yeah. Bro, the health department would be on your ass right now.
No? Is it bad? Take a sip out of it. I mean, take a bite. It needs salt.
It's not bad.
What?
Can you get that on video? What he just said?
What?
He just said it wasn't bad.
It's not.
It's because I made it.
Terrible. It's like
10 out of 10 must try again.
Yeah, see, I'm saying.
It was amazing.
All right, fellas. Damn, I'm sweating like a mother.
I don't have no vacation time. I'll add 8 hours under that.
I'll bring that to my stand.
All right, my boys, we are done with the cooking. Everybody enjoyed it. Not a single person had a complaint because it's just so damn good.
it was amazing.
It was me who made it, and you know, the ZL1, so how could it go wrong, you know? Good ramen. I would say it needed a little bit of salt, but there's a lot of saltiness in the car community where we're at, so that did the justice, you know? It was beef flavored, so there was plenty of beef in the flavoring as well. 10 out of 10 if I were to say so myself. I will do it again. I shall do it again, but even better, and get better reactions in a better place than Target on a Sunday, the day before Memorial Day.
Hey, buddy.
What did you think of the ramen?
Well, for it being cooked on the blower, it was really good.
Amazing, yep.
It was amazing. It could have used a little bit more salt, but 10 out of 10 must try again.
Yeah, see, I'm saying. We'll do it bigger and better next time. No doubt. 100%.
What did you think?
Oh, loved it. 11 out of 10. I'll probably eat it for dinner tonight, so.
Even though we just dumped it out.
Oh yeah, it looks like somebody threw up back here.
Awesome.
Delicious.
Why'd you throw it up?
Okay, real quick. I know y'all will say that it's wasteful and stuff like that, but listen.
The birds eat it.
It was 27 cents.
It was 27 cents. It got cold. We had to get rid of it. I'm giving the pot away to a homeless man right there, Zeb Westnet, because he needs a pot at the house. I'm giving away the forks and the spoons because, you know, I'm a good, genuine guy like that.
And he's giving away the ZL1 tomorrow on his channel.
Why not? Why not? It'll come with the ramen, the extra ramen that we just dumped out here.
You get the ramen and the ZL1, $50 entries.
50, no problem on that thing, and you know, just hit the link and you'll be straight to go. That was good. That was strong. All right, boys, that is going to do it for the video. We are now at the new location, as you can see. Done with the ramen, discarded of all the ramen and utensils. Everything is put away, and yeah, we're over here at the next spot for the next video. So yeah. That's gonna do it for the video, guys. Hopefully y'all enjoyed me cooking ramen. I don't know, y'all let me know what I should cook next, because low-key I want to do it again, like at a Cars and Coffee at a car show or something. Do it again, but like even better and like be more prepared, because it was such a last-minute thing that I've been wanting to do. I think it turned out okay. Anyways, I know we'll probably do more in the future, so yeah, hopefully y'all enjoyed it. We'll see how this one turns out, see how well it gets received, and see what we can try. So if y'all did enjoy it, be sure to leave a like, be sure to comment down below, hit those bell notifications, be sure you're subscribed, and we'll see you in the next one.
RS, SS22, ZO1, sliding in a rainbow coupe. Saw your bitch, mouth drop, what it do? Worry about yourself, bitch, who the fuck is you? Take it to the tree, 10 like a lemon. limousine. When the light turned green,